Lose yourself in this love. When you lose yourself in this love, you will find everything. Lose yourself. Lose yourself. Do not fear this loss, for you will rise from the earth and embrace the endless heavens. Lose yourself. Lose yourself. Escape from the black cloud that surrounds you. Then you will see your own light as radiant as the full moon. Now, enter that silence. This is the surest way to lose yourself. What is your life about anyway? Nothing but a struggle to become someone. Nothing but a running from your own silence.